Lyon Genay, Massieux, a charming retreat in Massieux, France. Nestled in the picturesque village of Massieux, France, Premiere Classe Lyon Genay, Massieux offers a delightful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. With its convenient location just a short drive away from Lyon, this charming hotel is the perfect base for both leisure and business travelers. Check-in and check-out at Premiere Classe Lyon Genay, Massieux is a breeze, with the hotel's welcoming staff available to assist guests from 5 p.m. onwards. Guests can expect a smooth and efficient check-in process, ensuring a stress-free start to their stay. Check-out time is until 11 a.m., allowing guests ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or pack their belongings at their own pace. Please note that Premiere Classe Lyon Genay, Massieux has a child policy in place. While children are welcome at the hotel, they may not stay free of charge. Extra charges may apply, ensuring that parents and guardians can have peace of mind knowing that their little ones are well taken care of during their stay. The hotel's friendly and attentive staff are always on hand to provide any necessary assistance or answer any questions regarding the child policy.